Hello everyone, welcome to B-Steps. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your seized brake calipers on your Dodge Ram B250. So here I have a new brake caliper. You jack up the car and remove your wheel. Next you're going to need a 1/2 inch socket, and you're going to want to remove the retainer clip at the top and at the bottom. Before pulling off the caliper, you're going to have to open up the brake line, a 5/8 inch socket. And you're gonna want to have some type of pan or something under, like towels, so you can catch the brake fluid that drips so it doesn't make a mess. You pull off the caliper. Caliper off, you're going to want to remove the bolt and put the caliper aside. So after you remove the bolt, there's going to be brake fluid leaking, so just be ready for a mess. Here's the old brake caliper. So here's my new brake caliper. Move the cap, and I'm going to plug in. So I have the washer behind the bolt, and I'm going to re-plug in my line. And you're going to want to tighten that down. After tightening it down, you're going to want to put your brake pads back in. Also, I'm going to put some brake lubricant so it doesn't make squealing noises. Also gonna put it on the back side. Set this one inside, and the notches should be on top. And the back brake, it sits there, you don't have to remove that. After you install everything, the brake caliper brakes, and you install the brake line back. Last step is you're going to want to bleed the caliper. So you're gonna get a 3/8, and you're gonna want to loosen the nut, the bleed valve. I have a pipe, just put a pipe on it. You're gonna need another person to press on the brakes a few times until it runs clear. It's running clear. After it's running clear, just gonna tighten the bleed valve with my hand, move my pipe, and I'm going to tighten the bleed valve with my 3/8 socket. And after bleeding the caliper, your master cylinder is going to be low on brake fluid, so make sure you top that off. The last step is brake fluid that has dripped. You're gonna just want to clean it with some brake fluid. So generously just spray it with some brake cleaner. And you're gonna wipe it down to make sure everything is clean. And that's how you change your brake caliper on your Dodge Ram B250. Thank you for watching. If this video has helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thank you.